So I have taken Anglo-Chinese School Junior School's preliminary examination paper 2025, and that's for primary 6 English language. And I've taken paper 2, which is starting with booklet A, first exercise. Taking you to the first exercise, I would first want you to understand the very important topic that is there in most of the questions in the first exercise. That is subject verb agreement. What do you understand by this? Subject verb agreement. Let's go question by question. The first question: neither Jasper nor his brother dash present at the hockey practice earlier. Now, if we look at this question, we need to first identify the subject. Let's take neither Jasper and nor his brother as the subject. And present is the main verb. Now we need to find out the helping verb. To find out the helping verb, we need to understand the tense. At the hockey practice earlier. So one of the clues that we have for the tenses identification is this word earlier. If you see earlier, it is definitely not future tense. And if it is earlier, it is definitely not present tense also. Earlier means past tense. Now let's look into the options. For present tense, the verbs that we use is or are. For past tense, the verb that we use is was or were. Now that we have already eliminated the option of present tense, we are very sure that it's not is and it's not are. So these options are eliminated. Now we are left with was and were. Let's identify if it is was or were. If it is was, then the subject should be singular. If it is were, the subject should be plural. Now here is a challenge for you. Neither Jasper nor his brother. We have Jasper as well his brother given in the subject place. To identify if it is his brother to be considered as the subject or if it is Jasper to be considered as the subject, we first need to understand the rule of neither nor in subject verb agreement. So whenever you have neither nor used in subject verb agreement, the subject that comes closer to the verb has to be considered as the main subject. Now, Jasper is not coming closer to the verb. No. His brother is coming closer to the verb, and so this is considered to be the subject. Now you would have already identified if it is singular or plural. Yes, it is singular. And so we cannot choose verb because it is a plural subject. It is for plural subject. And so we are eliminating were as well. And of course, we will choose was because his brother, which is taken as the main subject, is in singular form. And as well, the tense is past tense. So for past tense and for singular subject, the only option we are left with is was. And so was is the right answer. For each video, you will have one question explained by me. And as we go slow and steady, we can do a really good job in our PSLE exam.